Hi everyone, let's learn together. This is Swarnalata Patel. In this program, we will discuss about the conditional statements in Python. This is just like if else statement, like in any other language. So let's say that we are determining whether a number is even or odd. Then, if the number mod 2, that is after dividing 2, whether the remainder is 0, then it is return even, otherwise it will return odd. So we have given two examples. One is 4, which is even, and one is 7, which is odd. Now let's talk about the if. ELIF, it means else if. If the if is not satisfied, then that is else if, and then finally the else statement. So if the number is greater than 0, then it will return positive. If otherwise, else if number is less than 0, then return negative, and else return 0. So basically you can think of like if it is true, then this is the return. Else if it is not true, then it will come to the next statement. So we have verified three scenarios. First one is 10, which is positive, minus 5 negative, and if it is 0, then the output will be 0. So like this, we can have multiple else if statements. So we have to verify this, we have taken the grade students and score. If the score is greater than equal to 90, then return A. Else if score is greater than equal to 80, return B. Else if score greater than equal to 70, then return C. And else if score greater than equal to 60, then return D. Else return F. So based on these conditions, we have verified with the different score, and the output will be based on this logic. Then we can have the nested if statement. Nested if means another if inside if. And we can have here the example shows two if, but there could be n number of ifs based on our need. Now here we have done like if the number is greater than equal to 0, again if it is 0, if it is true, then we are checking if the number is equal to 0, then return 0. Now what we are saying, else means number is greater than equal to 0, but number is not 0, that's why it is else, then return positive. Now here else means if the number is greater than equal to 0, now false. It's not greater than equal to 0. It means it is negative. So this is the way also we can have the nested if statement. So to verify this, we have taken the categorized number 10. 10 means positive and 0 means 0. Let's execute and verify. Now you can see we are having the negative, positive, negative 0, and then A, C, F, positive 0. So based on this what we discussed, we are able to see the output for this even and if. Now 4. So 4, it is even. 7, it is odd. Now let's move. Okay, 10 positive, minus 5 negative, and then 0 means 0. Similarly, here you see 95 means output is A, 72 C, and 58 is F. And in the nested if statement, we are taking either the 10, 10 is positive, and then 0 means 0. So this is the way we can implement if, else if, and then else statement in the conditional way in Python. Thanks for watching. We will meet again in the next video. Take care. Bye.